Hi everyone, this is Pierrick from P2design and my cat. This is going to be a pretty short video, but I wanted to make this one to say thank you. Thanks to all of you that subscribed and allowed me to reach 150,000 subscribers here on YouTube. To celebrate this, I'm running an exclusive sale on P2designacademy.com with 20% off on all my courses using the code Y150K. Sales end this Sunday at midnight. Next sales will only be in November for Black Friday as usual. So let me take this opportunity to thank you all again, and if you're watching this video, you already know what to do to support me. I started this channel 14 years ago. I just wanted to show what I was doing, and as a lot of Blender users, each time I was learning a new trick, I wanted to share it with the community. And here I am 14 years later, doing the same thing, creating Blender tutorials. Making these tutorials gave me the opportunity to work professionally for games, commercials, short movies, and a lot more. Blender is getting better and more popular every day, and I can't wait to show you what I'm working on at the moment. I also started the production of my new course. The main character is ready, the logo is almost ready, so now I just need to record hours of tutorials, make a short movie to promote it, and ship it. In the meantime, as usual, I try to publish more tutorials here on YouTube. Thank you again for your support, and I hope this adventure will last for the next 14 years. See you soon here on YouTube.